everyone, welcome to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to add new Gmail account in your mobile. So first of all, you open the mail on your mobile device. Now you can see here currently I am logged into my another account. So if I want to add a new Gmail on my mobile device, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon. Then there you need to tap on the option at the end, add another account. You tap on that. From there you need to choose the email setup, that is either Google, Outlook or whatever that is. We're going to click on the Google as we are going to add a new Gmail account. Tap on Google. Now here you need to sign in into that new account that you want to add, that is by providing the email address. Tap on next. Now provide the password. Tap on next. Tap on I agree. And with that you will be logged in into the Gmail account that you have just added. So this is how you can add a new Gmail in your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.